to Mom to Mom. In this channel, I review the products that I buy for my kids who are 4, 3, and 1, and I hope to give you information to help you make better decisions when buying gifts for your kids. So today I'll be reviewing this game from SmartGames series. They have lots of different games that I do like, but sometimes I find them a little difficult, especially because they have toddlers. So today we're going to be reviewing this game called the Penguins on Ice. So how this game works is that it has, like most of the games from SmartGames, it has a booklet of different challenges that they can set the game up as, and so it has different stages, just like all of the other games that they have. So it has the green are the easiest, and then you have yellow and red, and purple is the hardest. And at the back, at the end, it has also the solutions of the games. So the way that this works is that you first of all has everything off of the little board, and then, for example, for this number one is telling you how to basically put everything so that you have 2 penguins on either corners of the board. So for example, when we want to set up this one, and one thing that I didn't realize when I first purchased it was that these penguins, they slide, so they can give you like different shapes. So here, for example, we have a shape like this in the middle right here, and then we have to set it up so that we have a penguin right here. So we can achieve that with this one, and then we can put this one here, and so with this one we'll have one over here as well. And then here it goes. So the other ones, it doesn't matter where they go. You only, in order to meet the challenge, you only have to have 2 penguins on this 2 corners. So like that. So you have passed this one, you can move to the next one. So a pro and con about this is that for kids, it's a game that can grow with your kids. So as a toddler, I don't think they can go that much past the junior stage. So that kind of makes it a little limited for them, or actually, like I would say maybe green is as high as maybe a toddler who is 3 or 4 can go. And if your kids are older, then they will probably be able to solve the ones on junior and expert. And to be honest, like the ones that are on master are sometimes hard for me to do. So that's why I would say that this is a game that can grow with your kids. You can buy them when they're toddler, and they can start playing with it and learning how it works, and as they get older, and they can analyze how to put the blocks differently. They can meet the harder challenges. So a con that comes with that is that as a toddler, because they cannot, my toddlers cannot go that far when playing this game, and they would need my help. It's not a game that they reach for. So we do play with it sometimes, but it's not something that they ask to play with. But I'm hoping when they're getting older, they will start enjoying this more, and we can play it, or they can actually play it together, and enjoy it. So if you have any questions about this product, as always, leave them on the comment section down below. And I will also put a link to this game on the description bar. And if you have any questions, so let me know, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.